I literally can't feel my foot at all.
Welcome back. I'm Will, trail name Last Strap, and I'm 500 miles into walking from Mexico to Canada on the PCT. My trail friend Ranger and I are about to take on the LA Aqueduct. It's a 17-mile stretch of exposed walking on a flat road. It nearly broke me. But first, I have to survive getting there.
We did 24 miles yesterday. We're staying at this fire station, and we are the last ones out of camp again.
The lead up to the aqueduct was admittedly tough. None of the PCT was easy, but this section of the desert is known for brutal heat and very long water carries. Every stream and shady spot was a tempting extra break.
Very tempted to crawl inside. It's so hot out here, it's got to be cool in there, right? Another one. I can't not go in there. The mountain is just like creating this heat wave that just like boils you with every step. And it's a climb. It's been non-stop climbing. I have to keep stopping every few minutes because I'm overheating. I got 1.5 liters of water, so I'll be good, but still got 10 miles to go. It's about, I think it's closing in on 1 o'clock. I might have to take a couple hours break to let it cool off because this is just absolutely torture. It's like the desert version of the green tunnel, I guess. Apparently this plant is called poodle brush and it'll fuck your ass up, and I'm pretty sure I got in some and my legs are on fire, so that's fun. Allegedly it's worse than poison ivy, so we'll have to keep an eye on that. Poodle brush. Fuck! Did you touch one? So it probably doesn't have any poison milk on it. So we just hiked 20 miles. We ran out of water and we found this cistern that collects rainwater, but the water's too deep in there for us to reach it. So we're trying to scoop it out with the Canuck attached to a trekking pole and a carabiner. We're so thirsty. I mean, we're so thirsty that we'll definitely get some water one way or the other, but... Oh shit, look at that. Look at that.
Get the filter.
You really are the ranger. Get the filter. Oh. Lizards.
You're wasting the water.
No. My God. We called her the ranger. The Power Ranger.
Mind your business.
Mind your business, she says. Oh yeah, genius. Look at that. She put
That's why I went to engineering school.
I gotta get to filtering though.
Yes, you do. Huh? What?
That's brilliant. Look at that. Fishing out clean water.
After a long, scorching day, we cooled off, ate a big dinner, and got excited for a short push to mile 500. Stay tuned to see why the excitement was short-lived.
Okay, we did 20 miles yesterday. We got water. We did 24 the day before. It's not supposed to be as hot today, but it's still supposed to be hot. Fortunately, it's windy. Not sure what we're doing today. We talked about going all the way to Hikertown, which is another 20 miles. We could, but we're taking it easy. Got a little head change, if you know what I'm saying. And now we're strolling along.
Something, I'm not sure what, crawled up my pant leg and bit or stung the shit out of me. It's on fire right now. It's probably, I don't know, 5 drifting into 6 on a pain scale.
Why did you do that?
What was that face? She's like, quit it, you little baby.
We're trying to stay away from the mosquitoes. They're so fucking bad. But we just want to eat and go to sleep. It's only 5 o'clock. We're both exhausted. We've fallen asleep multiple times on trail today. So we got 7 miles to Hikertown, which is apparently really weird. We're gonna try and get a ride to Vill Market, where we'll get some food, and then we're gonna hike the infamous LA Aqueduct at night, and we're gonna have a party, I guess. So now, for the first time maybe ever, we're the first ones out of camp. It's 4:44. We've been up since 4. And we're gonna try and make it to Hikertown, where we're gonna rest all day, and then we're gonna get up at like 7 and hike through the night along the aqueduct for a glow stick dance rave party 2025. I don't know what it's gonna be like, but I'm excited. We got 7 miles to Hikertown, then we eat and drink and rest. So that's what the sunrise is like. I'm so excited. We're in Vill Market, and like just outside of Hikertown. We decided to come here because we read that Hikertown is a little weird, but also we just read that this place is awesome. And look at this breakfast burrito, so good. Got to Hikertown. Please do not let the dogs out. Close the gate behind you. Showers. Oh man.
There's a party.
Holy shit. They are armed. This is so weird. Look at all the people. There's so many people here ready to go hike the aqueduct tonight. To hopefully find water. Yeah, always a pleasure.
I'm gonna hide in the shade.
Get it?
As is tradition, this is where we got our faces, nails, and beards painted for the night party.
And it begins. Starting the aqueduct hike. People are trickling out.
Sounds like a fun thing to do on the aqueduct. Plenty of water at least.
Yeah.
To find some water, get to improvise those.
Thank you. Thank you, Mama's last strap. Mrs. Strap.
First name last. Last name strap.
Thank you.
Thanks, Mama. Love you. Oh, it looks so sick from down here. Like the sky looks amazing. Dope. I can't.
No?
Like I physically cannot. And that sucks. But like, there's something wrong, for sure. I'm not.
I can't night height alone.
Like there's something fucking wrong, for sure. Like I literally can't feel my foot at all. I might have to sit, actually.
About 10 miles into the Aqueduct walk, the frame of my backpack somehow dislodged itself from the bottom pockets it sits in and ripped its way through the bottom of the pack. That, combined with my hard-bottomed shoes, caused what I can only hypothesize were compressed nerves, causing my legs and feet to shut down. I was forced to stop for the night, full of worry that I might have to quit the PCT, or even worse, caused permanent damage to my body. Once again, I was full of gratitude to have such a great friend and trail partner and ranger who stayed with me to make sure I was okay. Outside of that nightmare, I absolutely love how thru hikers and the trail angel community in Hikertown and the Vill market work so hard to make the Aqueduct a fun tradition. And it really was beautiful. Between the Joshua trees and the incredible sunset, it wasn't until it got dark that there wasn't something gorgeous to look at. The hard, flat terrain and dysfunctioning gear were honestly the only things that made it suck for me. But if you haven't already, make sure you don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for me so you can see what happens to me from here. I really appreciate your support.
Last night was rough. I had a really hard time hiking the Aqueduct. The windmill farm is cool, and we're kind of glad that we're getting it during the day, even though we wanted to go farther. My body just started shutting down. I could not walk. My legs felt like my nerves were like making my feet numb. They just weren't working. Everything hurt really bad, so I finally had to stop. Also, my backpack broke basically, so the frame like bursted through the bottom of the pack in 2 different places. We've already sewn it once. Now it's done it again, so I gotta try and figure out a replacement. So morale was real low last night, but thankfully I had a badass hiking partner who made me feel better, a lot better. So we're gonna go as far as we can today. I think we're gonna do at least 15, 16 miles, no matter how late it gets, I guess. Then we should make it to Tehachapi tomorrow. She says yes, so we'll finally get a fucking shower and sleep. That's what my body needs more than anything, is a good night's sleep. So rest up in Tehachapi, gear up for more.
We're trying to get, well, she's trying to get to Kennedy Meadows in 8 days.
Overhand security, that bad boy ain't going nowhere.
Happy birthday to me. Just gonna be real, I'm over the desert.